Breakfast O champions.
Eggs, bacon, pancakes.
Get on it.
Let's meet up!
Our mission to improve the enjoyment of bacon has taken us around the world, and we've met a lot of great people along the way. We want to share their knowledge, passion, and stories with you. So let's meet up for the flavors, for the fun, and for the fellowship.
Bacon! I'm Mike Busch. Welcome to Sac County.
Brooks and I first met Mike Busch in the fall of 1995 at the University of Iowa. Known as Buck to many,
Buck, yeah.
his passions for open-air cooking and the great outdoors were notable even then.
A lot of the pieces I use kind of revolve around over the fire. I don't know, it's a preference of taste and it's a passion. Cast iron, pellet grills, lump wood, lump charcoal, indirect, and yeah, over the fire cooking. Many, many years ago, when it really all started, Boy Scouts, Boundary Waters, elk hunts, kind of grew into the whole, maybe call it tailgating, per se, and then just entertaining.
After college, Mike's love for the outdoors took him to Colorado. Then he met a nice Iowa girl, and it wasn't long until he found himself moving to her hometown of Lakeview to help with the family's farm equipment distribution business.
When the farm economy changed, a colleague of mine that down in Kansas was repping Green Mountain Grills. Well, the same distributor down there brought on Camp Chef. And I've used Camp Chef stuff for years of just cooking. He's like, I think they're looking for an Iowa rep. I was like, oh, okay, have him call me. Guy called me and he's just like, yeah, I was out traveling anyway, so.
When Buck would pull into nearby towns to talk ag equipment to his retail partners, he'd end the visit by rolling out a few of his Camp Chef woodwind grills.
You know, what's nice about the Camp Chef Woodwind series or any of the Camp Chef grills is versatility of what you can do with this grill. Pellet smoker, indirect heat, slide gate, direct heat, acts just like direct flame as a gas grill would. So that's the grill part. The versatility, sidekick, option, as well as a sear box. Comes standard with a griddle. Take that off, pizza box attachment, grill box attachment, stock pot, cast iron, do whatever.
It wasn't long until word caught on. He found himself selling outdoor cooking equipment to meat lockers, delis, sporting goods stores, and hardware stores throughout the area.
And then it grew into doing stuff with Big Frig, the tumblers and the coolers. They're out of Sioux City. That Artiflame we cooked on last night, different pellets, different lump charcoal.
With Buck's knowledge of cooking, along with his vast network of friends and family in the Sac and Carroll County area, we asked him to be our guide. But before we hit the road, he was nice enough to cook us up some breakfast. An entire spread. All cooked outdoors on his Camp Chef woodwind grill.
What do you think?
Delicious!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like us on Facebook to tune in to our future episodes. See where Buck decided to take us to meet up. For now, take a gander at some highlights.
Probably the main thing people come for, I would say, would be our tomatoes.
If you want to eat tonight, it's not the best. That tomato there, that's the prettiest tomato in the group. It's not ready to eat. It's not juicy.
Like that one's a good one.
Never seen pork like that before in my life. Beautiful color. You almost thought it was beef. It was so pink and orange. I was enamored by it. I had to have it. So.
You don't see that kind of patty out there too often.
Yep, and they melt in your mouth.
Cooking barbecue sauce, the barbecue sauce America loves to eat.
That's it! That's it!